My tribute to Daddy from your firstborn daughter. Daddy, today we say goodbye to you, but we also honor the life you lived. We will miss how loving and caring you were to us. You were our role model. You taught us the value of hard work, the importance of education, the power of faith, and how to be compassionate, caring, and selfless. Daddy, it hurts that you didn't live longer to see me make you proud. Today we grieve your loss, but we also celebrate your life. We will miss the happy moments, your jokes, the funny stories, and we shall cherish the memories we have of you. Now that you have left me when I'm a class 8 candidate, I'll keep my promise to you that I will pass my KCPE exam and go to a good secondary that you wanted me to go. I promise to make you proud in heaven. We will miss you dearly, but we know that you will always be with us in our hearts, guiding us, watching over us, and loving us. Rest in peace, Daddy. You will forever be loved, be missed, forever loved, and forever remembered. I love you, Daddy.
Let's appreciate her for the courage. Pigia makofi mazuri. Thank you, Nelly. Be strong for your mom and your sister.
On behalf of the sisters, I'll read the tribute. Dear bro, I can't find the right words to describe how sad I am. It's hard to accept that you're gone and gone forever. How do I even say goodbye? You have been the best bro always, taking care of me and my sister. Your jokes, your kindness, I will dearly miss them. We will cherish your memories, beautiful memories. I thank you for being the best brother. I remember when we were kids, you would cook for us chapos and hide them na tukilia sana unatupatia. The bond between us as siblings was so strong. Now that you have decided to join Mom, all I can say is that may your soul rest in eternal peace. We loved you so much, bro, and we still does. Please say hi to Mom. Tell her that we miss her so much. Till we meet again, rest in peace, my dearest brother. Your sis Lucy.
Thank you, Lydia.
Nitasoma tribute on behalf of Sherry. Dear bro, I'm sure Mom is glad to have met you again. This is one of my worst days. It is painful to lose my best friend, my brother, and my business partner. You took care of me when I was young, and now that I am a grown-up girl, you still check on me. You'd call me and ask me, Kwíyúmia. You made me feel nice, like a presence. You even changed my diapers when I was a kid. Thank you for loving all of us unconditionally. You were the best brother in the world, and I'm lucky to have you as my brother. I'm happy because while you were alive, I told you how much I loved you countless times. Even in death, I love you so much. Rest in peace. From Sherry.
Thank you.
Udoma, tribute to your dad. I wish I could see you one more time, my dear son. The world has lost a comedian and a friend, but I've lost my best friend and part of my heart. I miss your jokes. I'm grateful to God for the years we spent together. You are a wonderful son. Even in death, I love you, son.
Thank you. Charles?
On behalf of Rose, to my loving husband, my love, since we met, since we started our love journey together, all you taught me was true love. But you never taught me how to live without you. How will I cope without you in our lives? How will I answer the many questions that our children will ask? It seems to be a dream since you left us. It has been dark to us, but God's grace is sufficient to us always. Darling, me as your wife and children will always and always miss your beautiful jokes. It always cracked our jaws, and I would feel loved and encouraged. I will forever miss you. I will forever love you. Kisses in heaven, sweetheart.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Consolata. I'm reading on behalf of the nieces and nephews.
We had a soft spot for you, Uncle, because you were always so good, loving and caring. You seldom scorned us no matter how bad we messed up at times. On the contrary, you lent your ears when we needed you to listen to us and always gave us the best advice. That's why it is a big blow for us to lose you as an uncle, because we have not only lost an uncle, but also a friend, a confidant, role model, and advisor. Most of us, you have helped us to be who we are today. You are the best uncle, and we will surely miss you. The heavens have gained our lovely piece of diamond. Fare thee well, uncle.
Let's appreciate all those who did the tributes for us. Wapigie makofi mazuri.
Muthenya umwe mwaka-inĩ wa 1977 nyũmba-inĩ ya James Njoroge Kinyanjui na mũtigairĩ Neri Wanjikũ wa Cui nĩ kwagĩire ngemi ithano cia Stano aciarwo. Andũ a nyũmba na arata nĩ makenirio nĩ mwana wao mũno. Stano nĩ akũrire mwana wa kĩrathimo kũrĩ aciari ake na arĩa maciaranĩirwo nao, na nĩ Wilson Kinyanjui, Rose wa Mũtĩ, Penina Njeri na atigaire Samuel Mũthũmũ na Daniel Mũcahi. Ũnyinyi wake Mwanyinyi nĩateithagia aciari ake na mawĩra marĩa marutagwo ta ciana cia tũhĩĩ twa mahinda macio. Arĩ mwana mũkeni na mwathĩki gĩthomo. Akinyia mĩaka ya gũthiĩ cukuru mwaka-inĩ wa 1983 nĩanjĩrĩirie Kamũnyonge nĩyo Kĩbathi Primary, agĩcoka agĩthiĩ Thĩmbĩgua Primary School mwaka-inĩ wa 1985 na eka kĩgerio gĩa KCPE. Mwaka-inĩ wa 1993 thutha ũcio nĩathire Karuri High School kuma mwaka-inĩ wa 1994 nginya 1998 rĩrĩa aikire kĩgerio gĩa KCSE. Kũrua Stano nĩarũire ihinda rĩa kinya Stano nĩarũire mwaka-inĩ wa 1993 na anake a rika rĩake. Kanitha kuma ũnini wake Stano nĩarĩ mũrũmĩrĩri wa kanitha wa Restoration Victory Center, na kũrĩ mwaka-inĩ wa 1981 nĩaiyũkirio nĩyo dedication nĩ Bishop Michael Chege na agĩcoka thutha ũcio aneneha agĩtuo youth chairman kanitha-inĩ ũcio wĩra. Kũrĩ mwaka-inĩ wa 2006 Stanley nĩatuĩkire producer wa Bucket Studio na nĩ makoretwo makĩrutithania wĩra na Bucket team, na nĩaingĩrire coro mwaka-inĩ wa 2016 kũrĩa ararutaga nginya kũhurũka gwake. Arĩ o coro nĩaingĩrire Central Comedy mwaka-inĩ wa 2017 mena comedians aingĩ na thutha ũcio akĩingĩra Kĩengei Live mwaka-inĩ wa 2015. Ararĩ content creator wa Viusasa na online marketer wa Maono Lands Limited. Kũhikania mwaka-inĩ wa 2008 mendani na mwendwa wake Rose Wanja na makĩrathimwo ũhiki wao kanitha-inĩ wa Restoration Victory Center Banana nĩ Bishop Michael Chege mwaka-inĩ ũcio wa 2008. Nĩmarathimwo na mwana wa mbere nĩwe Neri Wanjikũ mwaka-inĩ wa 2010 na thutha ũcio makĩrathimwo na mwana wa kerĩ nĩwe Mary Wangeci Mũngai mwaka-inĩ wa 2017. Mũtũrĩre wake na mũingĩ. Njamba ĩno ya bũrũri nĩ yanyitanagĩra na andũ na marika mothe gũkũ Karuri, Banana na bũrũri wothe. Nĩakoretwo akĩnyitanĩra na andũ mũno hĩndĩ ya gĩkeno na hĩndĩ ya kĩeha. Atũrĩte mũkeni na mũrutani kũrĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ na kũhũrana na ndawa cia kũrebia. Kũhurũka gwake kũrĩ mweri 9 wa mwaka-inĩ ũyũ tũrĩ, Mwalimu Stano nĩagũthũkirio thibitarĩ etekũigua wega na thutha wa kũrigitwo nĩ ndagĩtarĩ nĩahurũkire ndagĩka o nini akinya. Arahurũkire na ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 45, nĩatiga mũtumia wake na ciana nyingĩ. Nĩ Ngai waheanire Mwalimu Stano na ciana igĩrĩ nĩ Ngai waheanire Mwalimu Stano na nowe wacoka kũmũigĩra. Nĩtũrĩa mũthenya wa ũcio. Amen. Eulogy of the late Stanley Mungai Njoroge. The late Stanley Njoroge was born in the year 1977. Mwiferedi Nana. Karuri's application to his parents James Njoroge Kinyanjui and the late Neri Wanjikũ Njoroge. His siblings were Wilson Kinyanjui, Lucy Wamute, Penina Njeri, Candice Mũthũmũ, and late Daniel Mũcahi. Education. In 1993, the late Stanley Mungai joined Kamũnyonge, which is currently Kĩbathi Primary School. He later joined the Mbegwa Primary School in 1985 and did his KCPE exams in 1993. He joined Karuri High School in 1994 and did his KCSE exams in 1998. Adulthood. In 1993, the late Stanley Mungai was initiated with his age group, work. The late Stanley Mungai joined Bucket Studios and became a music producer. While at Bucket Studios, the late Stanley started creating comics and content, and he was known for his content as Mwalimu Stano. Later, he joined Soro FM as a content creator and did stand-up comedies at Central Comedy, Sahara West Ruaka. He was also at Kenge Live, Blue Springs. He won a silver award on YouTube channel. He was working as a brand ambassador of Maono Lands Limited, a content creator for Views as a Citizen TV, and many other things he did to give a positive impact in the lives of Kenyans. Marriage. The late Stanley Mungai met the love of his life, Rose Wanja, and got married in the year 2008 at Restoration Victory Center. They were blessed with two lovely daughters, Nelly Wanjiko Mungai and Marilyn Wangeshi Mungai. Church. The late Stanley Mungai from his young age was a staunch member of Restoration Victory Center, and in 1981 he was dedicated by Bishop Michael Shege. He was later appointed as the youth chairman of the same church. Demise. The late Stanley Mungai fell ill on 9th April this year. He was rushed to Grace Home Hospital, and while undergoing treatment, he succumbed to death. He died at the age of 45 years. He survived his wife and two lovely daughters. We loved you, Mwalimu Stano, and God loved you most. May his name be glorified. Amen.
Thank you, Mwalimu Ruega. Thank you, Mungai. Ushone cousin ya Mwalimu Stano.